system, one of the important system. Okay. Next is, सुन लो ना मेरी बात. Excretion का मतलब होता है removal of nitrogenous waste, or you can say the metabolic waste, chemically evolved metabolic waste. But मैंने एक word use किया अभी, nitrogenous waste. बहुत important है वो use करना. और excretion is different and removal of the undigested food is different. दोनों mix मत कर देना. समझ रहा है? Excretion और जो digestion का जो waste product है वो अलग अलग है. इतना समझ आया? Talking about excretory substances, look into that chapter. There is a little thing given to you that says substances to be eliminated out of the body. Which are the substances eliminated out? First one they are saying is carbon dioxide and water vapor. Carbon dioxide बनेगा ना तुम्हारी body में, तो carbon dioxide बाहर निकलना चाहिए. उसके साथ water vapor also has to go out, और water has to go out, excess amount of water. ठीक है? Carbon dioxide कौन निकालता है, eliminate करता है?
Lungs.
And the water vapor is also given out a little by the lungs. Why? Because the exhaled air, if you just exhale out air onto this surface, the backside of your palm, or maybe on a glass surface, you will see that there is little drops of mist. Okay? It just turns a little misty over there. So water vapor and carbon dioxide is handled up by the lungs. Next up we have is nitrogenous waste. There are three things that I am going to say. You have to remember throughout the chapter. Urea, uric acid and ammonia. These three are nitrogenous waste. इनमें नाइट्रोजन होता है, ठीक है? और यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड, अमोनिया are very toxic to your body. यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड, अमोनिया तीनों क्या? यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड, अमोनिया if it stays in your body it turns to be very 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 toxic. इसलिए यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड और अमोनिया को बाहर निकालना चाहिए. यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड, अमोनिया are the most toxic things. समझ आ रहा है? And this is a component of urine, or either they are secreted out by the liver. Next up we have is sweat also, traces of urea. आगे आएंगे हम.
Salts.
Excess amount of salts. Listen, there is excess amount of salts which are there in your body which have to be eliminated out. I'm talking about salts. Salts can be mineral salts also, but the example given to you is NaCl. What does NaCl stand for?
Sodium chloride.
बाहर निकलना चाहिए. ठीक है? इसके अलावा बाहर मतलब
टीओस से निकलता है ना?
बहुत सारे
Salty होते हैं.
The other one is water, and then we have bile pigments. Water is eliminated out of your body through urine. क्या है?
Bile neon color का ना.
Bilirubin.
और बाद में आता है bile pigments. Even excess of bile pigments जो भी है, वो सारा बाहर जाना चाहिए. These are the 5 substances. We'll study a little in detail about them a little later, but these are the 5 substances. Which 5 substances? Carbon dioxide, water, vapor. Then we have salts, and then we have water, nitrogenous waste, and bile pigments. ठीक है? You have to look onto the inside of the page. Can you see the urinary system? Also, there is a word that's there in the first page. Urinary system. So चाहे तुम excretory system बुलाओ या urinary system बुलाओ, it's one and the same. But for animals we use the word excretory system. For humans we use urinary system.
Why?
Same है, सिर्फ humans को थोड़ा दर्जा ऊपर दिया तो एक अच्छा नाम दिया, urinary system. But you can say the same thing. Okay? ऐसा दिया गया है. It's appropriate to use it for humans only. Easy? Look at the urinary system or the excretory system given up. System किससे बनता है? Organ से बनता है. Urinary system or that excretory system, just be quiet. Excretory system or urinary system is made up of organs. हर एक सिस्टम ऑर्गन से बनता है. इसमें 4 ऑर्गन इन्वॉल्व है. Look at the picture and please see which organs I'm talking about. Kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. You get confused between ureter and urethra. अलग-अलग है दोनों चीज. समझ आया? Look at the kidneys. Can you see there is a pair of kidney? Yes. Right? Now we talk about pair of kidney. The right one is a little lower than the left one. Little lower बोला है. एक यहाँ ड्रॉ मत कर देना. समझ आया? Why? Accommodating liver, it is slightly lower. Next up, can you see kidney? A pair of kidney हो गया. There is kidney, a pair of kidneys. We have from the kidneys there are 2 muscular tubes that are emerging out, and they are called as ureters. The ureters are joining kidney to a bladder. Which bladder am I talking about? Urinary bladder. Urinary bladder will store urine for temporary sake, a little temporary period. ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं सालों साल यूरिनरी ब्लैडर भरा रहता है. यूरिनरी ब्लैडर का फंक्शन है टू स्टोर यूरिन टेम्परेरी. एंड देन वी हैव वाओ. And then what you are saying? Then we have urethra. Okay, so urethra helps in expelling out the urine. Urinary bladder जब full हो जाता है, so there is an impulse that is sent to the brain. The brain will send an impulse back, which relaxes a sphincter that is present. Sphincter का मतलब पता है?
Muscle.
बड़ा digestive system में.
Muscle.
The ring of muscle. So the ring of muscle is present at the urethra. When that sphincter will relax अगर होगा तो the sphincter will open. If the sphincter will open, through the urethra, the urine will be expelled out.
तो हमेशा वो contracted
हाँ देखो.
So in like old people, you know, they have to wear
Either the impulse passing is not proper, or the sphincter or the urethra muscles are loosened. इसीलिए होता है. इसमें क्या हंसी आ रहा है? एकदम तुम बायोलॉजी पढ़ने लग रही हो. Four organs, tell me. Listen, done मतलब ये done. अभी आगे मैं जाती हूँ. सुनो. Talk about kidney. Just talk about kidney now. The bean-shaped organ that we have. Okay. So have you seen bean? राजमा देखा है? बस उसी जैसा होता है kidney. Okay. Look at the width and the length of kidney. 10 and 6. याद रखो. Term for urination is also called as micturition.
What?
Micturition दिया हुआ है. The expulsion of urine out of the body due to the relaxation of the sphincter of urethra is called as micturition. ठीक है? Page number 117.
अरे वो last year का
So you find it.
अभी taste of urine
हाँ तो ऐसे तो क्या ब्लड का टेस्ट भी किया था? क्या ब्लड निकाल के पीते हो क्या?